All right, we continue to keep a close eye on Hurricane Irma with Harvey's aftermath still fresh on our mind.
Yeah, in fact, the billions of dollars in damage Harvey caused has led to a spike in flood insurance requests, according to at least one agency. Consumer investigative reporter Christian Cordero continues our team coverage.
As Houston begins its rebuilding process from Hurricane Harvey, experts estimate only about 20% of now flooded homes in the Lone Star State have flood insurance. Why weren't they insured? Most of them live in zones where they didn't think they'd need it. Those low-risk zones exist in almost every part of the country.
I'm walking along Trout Brook in West Hartford, and the homes to my left, most of them live within the 1% flood zone, and they're required to have flood insurance. The homes on the other side of the brook live in the 0.2% flood zone. Most of them are not obligated to have the additional coverage, but in a Harvey-like disaster, they would certainly be underwater.
A 0.2% flood zone means your home has a 0.2% chance of flooding in any given year. There's one along the Naugatuck River in Waterbury, just south of Pratt & Whitney in East Hartford, and several others.
Now people, whether it's Connecticut or Florida, look at that and they go, okay, well, I'm in a low-risk zone, and now it's time for me to buy flood insurance.
In the weeks since Harvey, inquiries about voluntary flood insurance from regions like those are up 1,500%, according to the Flood Insurance Agency's CEO, Evan Hecht.
My numbers only are representative of the entire picture, but we have enough numbers that mathematically that would play out across the entire spectrum.
Some policies will cover up to $250,000 in building damage and $100,000 in contents for less than $500 a year, saving homeowners just as much in the next big storm, assuming, of course, you keep it.
We did experience something similar after Katrina. Within 3 years, people began to allow those policies to non-renew, to lapse.
Now we have those FEMA maps available on our website. Just go to NBCConnecticut.com and search links. Carrie Lee?
Good resources there. All right, Christian, thanks so much.